The Great Emu War might sound unbelievable, but it actually happened. In 1932, Australian farmers found themselves in an unexpected situation, overrun by emus. What led to this? After World War I, many veterans were given land to farm, but they struggled to make it productive. The emus, seeking food and water, invaded their crops, causing chaos. But here's the twist. The military was called in to handle the situation, armed with machine guns. Instead of a quick resolution, the emus proved surprisingly evasive, and the soldiers struggled to control the population. Ultimately, the emus won, and the farmers were left to deal with their feathered foes. Sometimes, history is stranger than fiction.